Hello everyone, welcome to my travel YouTube channel. My name is Kazioglu and I am thrilled to share my adventures with you. Exploring new cultures, trying new foods, and meeting new people is what makes me feel alive. Traveling has always been a passion of mine. I believe that traveling is not just about visiting new places, but it's also about learning and growing as a person. On this channel, you will find travel vlogs, destination guides, and tips on how to make the most out of your travels. I will take you on a journey to some of the most beautiful and exotic places in the world, from the bustling streets of Tokyo to the serene beaches of Bali. My goal is to inspire you to travel more and to show you that the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Whether you are a seasoned traveler or just starting out, there is always something new to learn and experience. So join me on this adventure and let's explore the world together. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on my latest videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.